Hello, my name is Altaf Khan. So today is the 16th day of Zoom Marathon Challenge Season 4. So today we will talk about the closure function. A closure is the combination of a function bundled together. Means closing the two functions. Means the nested functions. In the means first function is the outer function and the second function is the inner function, which can be called a nested function. So the inner function can be access the variable of the outer function, which is the parent function. It's called a closure in the JavaScript. So it can access the variable of the parent function. A closure is the combination of function and the lexical environment, which if that the function was declared. This environment consists of any local variable and that were the scope at the time of the closure was created. This is also this can't be send the error like the variable not defined. It's valid in the JavaScript because in the closure the inner function can be access the variable of the outer function, which can be called a closure function. So before ES6, we are using we are using where which can be used as a global variable or a local variable according to that where it's declared. Means where can be declared in the outer side, which called global function, and it can be declared in the function which can be a functional scope. So a global scope and local scope or functional scope is called variable health declaration. So after that we have ES6. In that we have two types of keywords. So keywords or identifier which can declare a variable like late and cost. So by using the late and cost, we can define the function functional scope or bracket scope. We can say it's a block scope. So in the ES6, if we define a variable with let or const, it's called block scope. Means in the curly brackets, we can define a variable or we declare a variable. It can be called as a block scope variables. So it's possible in the ES6. Before ES6, traditionally we declare variable using where if we declare it's outside a function, it's called a global scope variable, and if it's declared in the inner function in the function sites or in the function, so it's called the local scope variable. So and this is all about the closure function. A closure function can be written a function. It's also the service of the closure function that key the outer function has in an inner function. Whenever we call the outer function, it return a function with some value. So if we call the outer function, then we have to make instance of that function, which can be called after that, and the inner function is accessible after that. So it's also the closure function. That's all about the closure functions. Thank you.